Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This week, we are going to take a deep dive into the 3D printed cars from the three Amigos. And this is the Camaro, and I'm going to take apart the Mustang, show you the inside. I'm going to do some tuning to see if I can get it even better on my track. These already run great, but I'm going to throw a set of silicone tires on. I'm going to get the chassis and pod kind of where I think cars like it on this track, on the Carrera track. So let's jump in. Okay, here is the Mustang, and it's a great car. These guys have done a great job, and I'm really super impressed. And so what I want to do is I would like to I have a set of Super Tire 1403s, and I'm going to throw these on the stock rims. I saved George's NSR rubber. Those were pretty good on the track. But I think the silicones, because of how I got the track set up, is going to be better. So before we get too far involved, they did change some things with the chassis. And as you can see, there are 4 mounting posts on the outside. So we're going to take those screws out. George told me it was okay to take this apart. As you can see, it's got the slot invasion guide, which all of the three Amigos 3D printed cars come with, the kits, which is fantastic. Looks like George is using a flat head, so you can keep the screws away from the track. And then it looks like they're using the slotted standard screws. Standard screws on the pod. It does have some strapping tape to control the pod a little bit. And that's probably with his testing on his wood track. I'm not going to get off because I think that it probably will need it on my track. So here we go. Let's open this up. You can see. Take a look at the body first. It just has the interior taped in. Rubber debris. Since I've got it open, I'll clean it out. But you can see how the mounting posts work, and they are 3D printed with inserts. I think that's really well done. And then they just have the interior taped in, mainly because the car's not finished, and I'm sure George will eventually finish the car. So set that to the side. Let's take a look at the changes in the chassis. The setup is really nice, and it now fits inside the body. I've done a really nice job. Motor pod. It's got a little bit of float. Yeah, I've got more movement on one side than the other, so I'll probably just kind of retune that. And I'm going to put these wheels on and throw the tires on since I've got it opened, but pretty simple chassis design. Really looks good. I think that it will hold up. Running a Predator 22 5-ball bearing. Like I said, the slot invasion slide guide, we know how good that is, especially on Carrera track. Yeah, it's running the purple nylon spur gear and 11-tooth pinion, looks like. So we'll go ahead and tighten these wheels up. Okay, got the wheels back on. Let's throw the super tires on since we have it open. Brand new silicones. 1403s should fit this wheel without any problems. It's a nice fit. Well done. I get my super tires from Bruce at Cincy Slots. Actually, probably need to prep an order for him. All right. So I've got a little bit more movement on this side of the pod than I do that side. And it's probably just from I've run a bunch of laps. But I would like that to be even, especially since I'm going to run it on the road course, the silicones. Okay. I kind of like it the way it's at. And I feel like something, it looks pretty even on the back. Now, he hasn't cut the axles down yet, so I don't plan to do that. But that's it. Pretty basic front end. Take a look at the setup on it. It is on the track, but I got just a touch of side to side, which I kind of like, just barely. But I would like to maybe go up just a touch. I'm going to do half a turn on the top. And then I'm going to turn the bottoms half a turn in. And let's see. Yeah, we're still in pretty good shape there. Oh, we're just tad heavy. Which side? Both. There we go. I want those to spin free. And they're barely touching the track. Okay. So we're going to try that. I like it. Now we're going to put it back together. I'm not going to tighten the body screws. I do want some body float. I will take them to tight and then probably back them out one turn each. And then we'll run it on the track and do a little more tuning. So let's start there. So now we're back together. Got some silicones on the rear. Everything looks like we're in good shape. So let's hit the track and we'll make some adjustments to the pod. Okay. Let's see what the Mustang can do. See if we can get a few laps in, just to kind of ease into it, get a feel for, do we need more brake? Do we need less brake? I think I might want a little less brake. Ooh. Kind of two-wheeled it there. It's getting plenty of grip. And that was on me. I need to put that front end back where it was. The rear end's locked in. So the pod's working pretty good. Car's smooth, pretty quiet. Running some solid laps. Staying in the slot. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So 7593-7723-7744. So we're in the 7.5s with it. That's great. I'm gonna clean the tires and do another little run and see if we can't get in those 7.4s. I think it's in the car. I'm gonna back the brake off just a little bit so maybe I can roll a little more through some turns. Ooh, came out of the slot. $7,506. We're right there. We are right there. Oh. Now I'm really pushing it. But guys, much lighter. This is right there, as fast as my Revo slots. Do I have a Revo slot? I do. So I could run a few laps. So I think that front end I've got too high because it's causing that. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna make an adjustment on that. Okay, made some body float adjustment. Let's see if we pick up anything. Back hurts. I gotta end this video. So guys, there you have it. the inside and out of the Three Amigos 3D printed Mustang. Really enjoying putting some laps on this car. So much great improvement. Way to go, Dave. I know Dave Gorley has been spending a lot of time trying to get this car finished and remedy some of the weight issues, and this is prepped and ready to be a great racing class. So jump on Slot Car Corner, pick up yours today. You got the Camaro, you got the Mustang, you got the Challenger, you got the Camry, I believe, and then they're always working on more. So great work, guys. Really enjoying this. Silicones are working great on this track. And we saw the design. They kept it simple, not complicated, but it works. The chassis is working great. It's good and flat. Really impressed with the car. So hopefully they're in stock and you can order them if it's something you're interested in. So, and I got stickers finally. So those people who have sent me stickers, you've got stickers coming in the mail. I'm going to drop those off at the post office today, and they'll be on the way. So guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Yeah, it's good to be back down on the track. Life has been really, really busy, and I've been missing the track. So sorry I didn't have a video last week. Just ran out of time. Just really, that's no other excuse than I just flat out ran out of time. So I appreciate your patience. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And as always, go have fun racing.